Welcome to our comprehensive beginner's guide on how to play Omaha Poker. Whether you're completely new to the game or just need a quick refresher, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we dive deep into the exciting and strategic world of Omaha Poker. We'll explore the rules, strategies, and tips to help you become a confident player. So grab your chips, take a seat at the table, and let's get started on this thrilling journey together. First, let's talk about what you need to play. You'll need a standard deck of 52 cards, poker chips for betting, and a table that can accommodate up to 10 players. The objective of Omaha Poker is to create the best 5-card hand using a combination of your whole cards and the community cards. In Omaha, each player is dealt 4 private cards, known as whole cards. These cards are unique to each player and are not revealed to the others. 5 community cards are then dealt face up in the center of the table. These cards are shared by all players and are used to form the best possible hand. Unlike Texas Hold'em, in Omaha you must use exactly 2 of your whole cards and 3 of the community cards to make your best hand. This rule adds an extra layer of strategy and complexity to the game, making it both challenging and exciting for players. Now let's go through the betting rounds. Omaha Poker has 4 betting rounds: pre-flop, flop, turn, and river. First is the pre-flop round. After receiving their whole cards, players decide whether to call, raise, or fold based on the strength of their hand. Next is the flop. 3 community cards are dealt face up and a new round of betting begins. Then comes the turn. A 4th community card is dealt, followed by another round of betting. Finally, we have the river. The 5th and final community card is dealt, and the last round of betting takes place. After the final betting round, it's time for the showdown. Players reveal their whole cards, and the best 5-card hand wins the pot. Here are a few basic strategy tips to keep in mind when playing poker, especially if you're aiming to improve your game and increase your chances of winning. 1. Starting hands. Be selective with your starting hands. This is the foundation of a solid poker strategy. Hands with high pairs and suited connectors are strong in Omaha. These hands give you a better chance of making strong combinations. 2. Pot odds. Always consider the pot odds before making a bet or call. Understanding pot odds helps you make more informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. 3. Position. Your position at the table is crucial. Being in a later position allows you to see how other players act before you make your move. Acting last gives you more information to make better decisions. This advantage can be the difference between winning and losing a hand. Always be aware of your position and use it to your benefit. And that's a quick overview of how to play Omaha Poker. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep playing and honing your skills. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more poker tips and tutorials. See you at the tables.